What's going on, guys? It's his autograph site here. This is going to be a recap video. It was opening a box of cards and a pack of cards, but the video was having issues, so I'm having to redo it. Basically the story was I was trying to do the video with my new phone, which is a Samsung Mesmerize, but for some reason, I'm old and stupid, I can't figure out how to get the video from my computer to YouTube. For some reason the file is too big and I can't figure out how to get it to YouTube. Like I said, one of my previous videos, I have to go down to the gas station hotspot, and maybe that has an issue with getting the video downloaded properly. If I guess I had super high-speed internet or something, maybe it would everything would be working fine. I don't know. So I use my old phone, my BlackBerry, and I record the video, save it to my computer, and then I take it down to the hotspot and upload it, and that works fine. So this really pisses me off that I pay U.S. Cellular money for internet, and the internet sucks ass. So anyway, if anybody can help me out, if anybody knows something I can try, please let me know. But anyway, we'll get right into this. My wife got me a rack pack of Absolute Memorabilia Football 2011, and she also got me a box of Topps 2011 Allen and Ginter. I really love these cards, the way they look, and I like how they have the oddball cards and the stars of other things besides baseball and whatnot. So this was marked down from 20 to 15, so I snatched it up. So we'll just do a recap. We'll start with the Absolute Memorabilia. Nothing really great out of either one of these. We got Reggie Wayne, Marshawn Lynch, Tony Romo, LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Calvin Johnson Jr., Matt Forte, Ahmad Bradshaw, Mike Wallace, Fred Jackson, LaDainian Tomlinson, Percy Harvin, Kenny Britt, Jermichael Finley, Colt McCoy, Ryan Matthews, Ray Lewis, Matthew Stafford, Vernon Davis, Jason Witten, Tom Brady, Santana Moss, Hines Ward, Julius Peppers, Reggie Bush, Matt Ryan, Chris Johnson, Greg Jennings, Phillip Rivers, Terrell Owens, Braylon Edwards, Joe Flacco, Matt Castle, Peyton Hillis, Darren McFadden, Josh Freeman, Jeremy Maclin, Steve Smith, Jonathan Stewart, and the one, I don't know, I guess you'd say hit, not really a hit, but it's a War Room, Stevan Ridley of the Patriots. So that was the rack pack. As far as the Allen and Ginter, we'll do the base first. Let's see, Daniel Bard, James Loney, Eric Jackson, Ryan Braun, Alex Rios, Colby Rasmus, Gordon Beckham, Phil Hughes, Jason Castro, Checklist, Drew Stubbs, Yonder Alonso, Aaron Crow, Christy Yamaguchi, Ryan Zimmerman, Delman Young, Josh Hamilton, Max Scherzer, Dustin Pedroia, Ian Kennedy, Johan Santana, Johnny Peralta, Stan the Man Lee. Really wish that had been autographed. Peter Gammons, Ben Revere, Pedro Siriaco, Jeremy Hellickson, Ozzie Martinez, Eric Sogard, and Brandon Snyder. So that's the base. We've got a bunch of inserts. Got this great advertisement for Allen and Ginter binder. That's garbage. Then we got the Be the First to Crack the Code card. I don't know if these are worth anything or not, but it's a neat looking card though anyway. So we got that. Then I got these all color cards. It's really nice. They are out of the Ascent of Man insert set. I'm not going to try and pronounce that name there. But really nice looking cards here. And here's a monkey. So that's number 16 out of the set, and that's number 17 out of the set. So those are neat. Then we got the Floating Fortresses insert set, and this is Lave. That's number 11 out of the set. Then I have Baseball Highlight Sketches, Mariano Rivera. This is number 14 out of that insert set. We got Minds That Made the Future. This is a really cool card. This is Galileo. This is number 25 out of the set. Then we have the Hometown Heroes insert set. I got a bunch of these. Ike Davis, Brandon Phillips, Roy Halladay, Zach Greinke, John Jay, John Jay, and David Wright. And as for the minis, we have Carl Crawford, regular back, Leo Nunez, regular back, Ryan Howard, I don't know what to call the back, but it's got that guy's face on it. And then this is a Corey Hart's regular back, but it's got the decorative border on the front. Okay, and the last four, this is out of the Portraits of Penultimacy insert set. This is number 1, Antonio Meucci, I think is how you say his name. That's cool. World's Most Mysterious Figures, the Poe Toaster. It's kind of cool. This one's really neat. Uninvited Guests series. This is the Amityville Haunting. It's really neat. And last, the Step Right Up series. This is the Snake Charming card. Really neat. Alright, so if anybody is interested in the baseball cards out of the set, inserts or base, they are for sale or trade. Just PM me, let me know. The other oddball stuff I'm going to be keeping. But if anybody's interested in the baseball inserts or base, just PM me, let me know. Alright guys, that's it for me. Got a bunch of mail yesterday. Going to try and get a mail day video up. So hopefully all you guys had some good mail days as well, and I'll be back here today or tomorrow with a mail day video. Alright, see you guys later.